at Wayne Park, Wayne National Forest?
Yeah, Wayne National Forest. We've never been here before on the channel. We're going to show you guys around Dorr-run Loop. Pretty cool place. Come check it out.
Yeah. We got Jordan with us today. The brother.
What's up, guys?
No, he's literally Kevin's brother.
Right, let's go.
I just gotta put my helmet on and I'm ready to go. Got me a cool camel pack. Pretty excited to try out. Let's go.
Just follow the Dorr-run signs.
I'm not even paying attention.
I'm not either.
Whenever you come to an intersection, just stop. What's up, girl?
How you going? Ooh, BM. What you doing? Staring at the frogs? Is there a snake over there?
Yeah.
A little gardener snake?
Baby one?
Yes, baby.
Just a little
Baby
guy?
garter snake.
Just take
I'm hydrating on our little break here. We stopped so we can get some footage of Jordan and I going around the bend. Kevin's gonna get some drone footage.
Is that for me to go pee-pee?
It's actually for Jordan to go pee-pee. For me to hydrate so I can go pee-pee. Best $30 I spent.
I gotta go pee-pee too.
You gotta go pee-pee with your garden snake?
Yeah, I gotta go look at the garter snakes over there. It might be a dwarf garter snake. Dwarf baby.
Till I get scared.
Oh, that was close. Let's see what we got here.
Look how pretty it is. Gorgeous.
That's the fucking light gravel. You're like, ah!
You're hot?
Yeah, my legs are hot.
Press the brake. I'm going to turn this sideways so I don't have to. The emergency brake doesn't work that well. You stick it in there.
Are you hot?
No, I'll do that on YouTube now.
I can block it out.
Good.
What should I put over it?
I don't know.
A rooster?
Not this. Not this.
A worm?
Sorry.
A garden snake?
Throwing me all over the place.
How's this one?
Lighter than mine.
Can you try it out?
There's no two strap. It'll stay put.
One person behind him. Oh. I learned something new today. Do this. Maybe I tricked it to stay on. Packing up. Ah, yeah. Ooh, doggy. I got dirty. Oh, good. I have a mustache from all the dirt. But I had a blast riding. I hope they did too.
Oh.
Do you have any final words, Kevin?
You're ugly.
Woo. Clearly that's a lie.
Clearly, those would be my final words. Hey, pull that pin over there.
You pull that pin over there. Ooh.
Don't threaten me with a good.
You're gonna frazzle us. Say, I like your pants. It's your what?
My ports.
Your port.
Pants, shorts.
Ports.
My ports. What are you doing? Just.
He doesn't like flappy straps.
You don't like flappy anything.
You ain't wrong.
Flappy vaginas.
Nope.
I'll make this YouTube appropriate. Ow.
He told you to move.
First, I thought this would be a good idea. Turned out not to be.
First I was afraid.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
I was petrified. Somebody's getting it.
It's a motorcycle on the highway.
Oh. I was like, dang, somebody's going fast. Doesn't sound like me at all.
Close.
Lies.
Hold on, I'm gonna get these George sauce here in a minute.
What do you call this fold? Is that a waffle? Pancake? Fruit roll up?
I'm not sure, honestly. We can call it the over the top. Over the top.
Like you.
Yeah, it'll work.
Purdy. What was that?
What do you think of old Dorr-run?
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's not too crazy. Like,
Soft, good time.
yeah. You didn't like it?
He didn't like it because it's on a dirt bike.
Yeah.
Even then, I didn't like it. It's just,
I mean, yeah, for you, I was just worried about there was like a lot of sand and gravel. Are you taking a horse bath? Did you get your private airs?
Oh, yeah, baby.
I liked it though because I like trying to get air. It wasn't too crazy, but it was just like every so often you'd be like, woo, and just lift off the four-wheeler. There's a couple times that actually got my stomach. Ah, stop it. It's wet. Dude. I think if you're not trying to do like dangerous climbs, like maybe Danielle, she'd do all right. She got caught up on the divots and the like hard turns. As long as she slowed down, there's no like super steep hills and stuff. So if you like a chill ride,
Yeah.
I think this is a good place to come.
I don't know. I think we'd get Bobby here to test it out first.
He'd be aight.
Alright guys, so that was our one lap around Dorr-run Loop. Showed you around a little bit. It's not real exciting, but it was a relaxing good time, and we'll see you next time.